as I told you in the introduction that the main business of the bank क्या है, the main business of banking is what? Receiving the deposit and lending the money. Now when the bank is accepting the deposit, okay, here is the good example. See, when here bank is accepting the deposit, it will advance the loan, whatever deposit is given, okay, जो deposit किया है उससे क्या करेंगे bank will do what? Bank will accept the deposit and it will give the loan. Okay, now when it is giving the loan, okay, जब बैंक क्या करती है, when it is giving the loan, okay, तो क्या हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज चार्ज. ओके, जो बोरोवर जिसको पैसे की ज़रूरत है उसको क्या करते हैं, बैंक विल चार्ज अ हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एंड इट विल व्हेन द बैंक इज एक्सेप्टिंग द डिपॉजिट, जब हम हमारे पैसे सेव करते हैं, व्हाट हैपन्स, बैंक गिव्स व्हाट? इंटरेस्ट. ओके, इंटरेस्ट देते हैं विच इज एट अ लो प्राइस. नाउ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ, दैट इज द इंटरेस्ट पेड एंड द इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड. जब बैंक क्या करती है, हमें कम पैसे देती है. इफ इज नाउ सपोज आई वांट टू सेव माय मनी, ओके, आई हैव 1 लाख ऑफ रुपी, आई सेव द मनी इन द बैंक. ओके, बैंक क्या करते हैं, मुझे 4% इंटरेस्ट देते बिकॉज आई एम सेविंग द मनी इन हिज बैंक. ओके, नाउ बैंक इज गिविंग हाउ मच? 4% इंटरेस्ट टू मी ऑन माई डिपॉजिट. Now that same 1 lakh रुपी somebody is in need, okay, तो बैंक क्या करती है, उसको 1 लाख रुपी फिर से देती है. That is it is granting loan and उससे 8% इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करती है. Now bank is giving 4% interest to me and it is charging 8% interest on the same money, that is 1 lakh rupee which is granted as a loan. Now the difference between both, that is the interest रिसीव्ड एंड द इंटरेस्ट पेड, दैट इज इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड कितना है, उसको बैंक को इज रिसीविंग interest on the loans which is granted and the deposit which we have done. I have done the whatever deposit I have done, for that bank is giving me only 4% interest. Now what is the difference? 4%. Now that 4% will be the profit of the bank. Okay, now the profit of the bank is known as a spread. What? The profit of the bank is what? Spread. So जो भी difference है, that is the interest received and the interest paid, the difference between both is known as the bank profit. That bank profit, the name for the bank profit is spread. Remember this always. Okay, now there is a primary function of the bank, okay, that is what? Accepting deposit. How bank will accept the deposit? It will accept the deposit in the form of saving deposit, in the form of fixed deposit, current deposit and recurring deposit. These all deposits you all have learned in your semester 1. Okay, आप लोगों ने अपने semester 1 में this deposit you all have learned already. And also I told you bank will lend the money in the form of loan, in the form of cash credit, in the form of overdraft and discounting of bill. In this 4 way bank will lend the money. So this is the primary function of the bank. Bank will do these 2 functions, that is accepting deposit, lending money. Now when the bank is lending the money, now in the last semester what you all have learned? You all have learned about how to the structure of banking sector in India. You all have learned about how to start a bank account, what are the different types of bank account holders, and you all have learned remittances. Okay, तो आप लोगों ने बेसिक सीखे. अभी आप लोग सीखेंगे what are the lending principles, मतलब जब बैंक पैसे देती है तो how it will lend. Now when bank is lending the money, okay, it has to take into consideration these 5 principles, that is safety, liquidity, profitability, diversification of risk and other principles of lending. Okay, तो इतने सारे उनको ध्यान में रखने पड़ते हैं. So these 4 things bank has to see into consideration when it is lending the money. Now the first principle is safety. So let's see what is safety. Now when bank is lending the money, okay, it has to see that it is the money which is lent, it is in the safe hands. Okay, So since banker what they do, they deal with the money belonging to the others. मतलब जो हम लोग पैसे डिपॉजिट करते हैं वही पैसे वो लोग क्या करते हैं, दे ग्रांट द लोन. ओके, बैंक क्या करते हैं, हमारे पैसे दूसरे को पैसे लेंड करते हैं, मतलब दे ग्रांट द लोन. सो इन सच केस व्हाट हैपन्स ओवर हियर कि जब भी हम लोग हमारा पैसे डिमांड करते हैं, बैंक शुड बी एबल टू गिव अस द मनी बैक. ओके, सो हियर safety is very important. Okay, so when bank is lending the money, it has to assure that whatever funds they are lending, they are in the safe hand. मतलब सही पर्सन, मतलब ट्रस्टवर्दी पर्सन को वो लोग पैसे दे रहे हैं या नहीं. Now when they are lending the money, for the safety principle there are some precautions they need to follow. That is scrutiny of the credit worthiness of the borrower. मतलब credit worthiness मतलब borrower when they are sanctioning the loan, okay, banker should be fully satisfied, okay, with the credit worthiness of the borrower. मतलब जब भी वो लोग लोन दे रहे, they should see what is the credit worthiness of the borrower. Okay, so if they are not satisfied, then they should not sanction the loan. Okay, only when they are fully satisfied, then they have to grant the loan. Second is care in sanctioning the loan. Now suppose if the credit of the borrower is very low, okay, that time bank should not give the loan. Okay, so bank when they are lending the money, they should see that whatever loans they are lending, the person to whom they are sharing, giving, granting the loan, it should be a trustworthy person. Second is third is providing short term loan. Now when they are providing short term loan, the bank should see that whatever the loans they were providing for a short period of time, they should be returned. Okay, that means that there should be liquidity of the bank should increase. Okay, only in that case they should provide the short term loan. Then next is no large advances to the single borrower. मतलब एक ही पर्सन को बहुत बड़े बड़े लोन्स नहीं देने चाहिए. व्हाट विल हैपन इफ एनी पर्सन हु इज नॉट एबल टू पे ऑफ द लोन, देन इट विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर अ बैंक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, recent example is about the Nirav Modi scam. What happened, the Punjab National Bank ने क्या किया, they have granted huge amount of loan to the Nirav Modi, and finally that person was not able to pay off the loan. For a small mistake that bank has done, क्या हुआ, पूरी बैंक बंद हो गई. So there should be special care taken when they are giving the loan. So there should not be large advances given to a single borrower. If they want to give the loan, then they should give small amount of loan to huge number of customers, so that if even one person doesn't pay, it should not affect the functioning of the bank. Next is ascertaining the market value of the pledged commodity. मतलब जो भी वो लोग commodity ले रहे हैं, when they are granting the loan, what they do, they take some security. Okay, जैसे कि land के ऊपर अगर loan ले रहे हैं, then they will take the papers of the land as their security. When somebody want to buy the house, what will happen, they will take the papers, the original copies of the bank documents, so sorry, the flat documents or house document. In that case, what will happen, if that person doesn't pay off the money, then bank can sell the flat or sell the house, okay, and take off their money. So here ascertaining the market value is very important. मतलब if that person takes the loan for 10 years, bank should take the market value after the 10 years, how much they will be able to get. Okay, मतलब बैंक को इंटरेस्ट के साथ उतने पैसे मिलने चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस बैंक शुड असर्टेन द मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ द प्लेज कमोडिटी. मतलब जो लोन जिसके ऊपर वो लोग लोन दे रहे हैं, दैट सिक्योरिटी दैट कमोडिटी शुड हैव अ गुड मार्केट वैल्यू. सो दीज आर द प्रिकॉशंस दैट शुड बी टेकन बाय द बैंक व्हेन दे आर फॉलोइंग द सेफ्टी प्रिंसिपल. नेक्स्ट इज लिक्विडिटी. Now what is liquidity? Liquidity is a quality of an asset, okay, जो भी asset है which can be easily marketable or convertible into cash at a short notice. मतलब जैसे कि जो assets है वो easily हम लोग convert कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि मतलब अगर हमें पैसे चाहिए अभी, तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, वट एवर FD वी हैव और वट एवर म्यूचुअल फंड वी हैव, स्टॉक वी कैन सेल एंड वी गेट मनी, ओके. बट इफ यू वांट, वी वांट द मनी क्विकली, if you are thinking of selling the house, okay, it will take at least 1 month to sell the house and get your money. But if you require it immediately, then there should be liquidity of the asset. So there are some assets which are very liquid, okay. For example, cash, call money lend, investment, bills purchase, loans, credits and overdraft. These are some of the assets which can be easily converted into cash whenever required. So such assets are known as liquid assets. So there are some factors that determine the liquidity of the cash and cash balances to be maintained by the bank, okay. जब हमें अगर कोई भी ये है प्रोडक्ट है हमारा, ओके. नाउ इफ यू वांटेड कैश टू बी, मतलब हमें जल्दी से अगर कैश चाहिए, सो हियर दे हैव टू फॉलो सम फैक्टर्स, ओके, दैट विल डिटरमाइन द लिक्विडिटी ऑफ द एसेट. दैट इज रिजर्व रिक्वायरमेंट प्रिस्क्राइब बाय लॉ, ओके. नाउ सपोज बैंक वांट टू give the loan, okay, that time they has to follow the CRR ratio, that is cash reserve ratio, okay, which is fixed by the law, that is RBI fixes this cash reserve ratio. So only when they follow the cash reserve ratio, it becomes easy to get the asset converted into cash. Second one is banking habits, okay. So banking habit is also important. Now suppose if the payments are made through a check, okay, in that case bank को क्या होगा, if they follow or if they manage low cash reserve ratio, that time it becomes, मतलब जो हमें क्या चेक है उसको क्या होगा, it will take some time, okay. So here कि अगर हमें liquidity चाहिए, so bank should follow a good banking habit. Next is business and economic conditions, okay. So here whatever economic, now our economy is changing, most of the time what happens, there is changing economy, okay, it is not stable. So if there is any depression, so here that time bank what they have to do, they have to maintain a large cash reserve ratio. That time what will happen, even if there is any problem or if there is any changing conditions in the economy, bank should not follow any should not be in a risk that they cannot convert their assets into cash. So if they follow high cash reserve ratio, that time what happen, even if they want to convert their assets into cash, it can be done easily. Next is clearing house facility. Now the existence of clearing house reduces what the need to hold a large amount of cash, because most of the payment to be made or received through the check will be settled through the clearing house. Clearing house क्या करते हैं, जो जो check से हमें payment मिलने वाले हैं, the clearing house takes care of that. So for that clearing house is very important. There should be good clearing house facility. Next is nature of account, okay. As we know, there are many types of account, that is saving account, current account, fixed deposit account, okay. So here the size of the deposit will also determine the amount of cash balance, okay. Now for example, if there is more current account holder, the bank has to maintain large cash reserve ratio, because current account holder को जब भी पैसे की ज़रूरत है, we have to provide, bank has to provide. So when they have large amount of current account holder, that time they has to follow large cash reserve ratio, because account holder may demand payment at any time, okay. And bank have only few large deposits, will have to keep large cash reserve ratio, because they may have heavy demands from the account holder. So यहाँ पे it depends on the types of account that is there with the bank, okay. Next is practices followed by other banks, okay. now in order to maintain confidence of the public and the prestige, okay, so here the जो bank है, अगर वो bank, there should be bank that it should not have a low cash reserve ratio. What will happen if the bank is having low cash reserve ratio? It will create a bad image in the customers, because if the customers want their money back, and if there is low cash reserve ratio, क्या होगा, बैंक उनके पैसे रिटर्न नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो द एवरी बैंक शुड हैव अ मैक्सिमम कैश रिजर्व रेशियो. नेक्स्ट इज अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ लिक्विड असेट. ओके, सो हियर लिक्विड असेट्स कौन से हैं? बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज, मनी एट कॉल, दैट शुड बी अवेलेबल विद द बैंक. सो बैंक नीड नॉट कीप लार्ज रिजर्व रेशियो इफ दे कैन कन्वर्ट दिस असेट्स इनटू कैश क्विकली. ओके, इफ द असेट्स, लिक्विड असेट्स जो है, अगर बैंक के पास बहुत सारे हैं, जैसे कि बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज हो या मनी हो, इफ दे आर हैविंग इन लार्ज अमाउंट, देन बैंक, देर इज नो नीड फॉर अ बैंक टू कीप कैश रिजर्व रेशियो, बिकॉज ये जो असेट्स है, इफ दे वांट कैश, दे कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इजीली. नेक्स्ट इज टाइप्स ऑफ एडवांसेस. ओके, कौन से एडवांसेस है? बैंक गिव्स मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ एडवांसेस. सो टाइप्स ऑफ एडवांसेस मेड बाय द बैंक एंड अकोमोडेशन बाय द सेंट्रल बैंक विल ऑल्सो अफेक्ट द लिक्विडिटी. ओके, सो रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया क्या करते हैं? दे प्रोवाइड एडवांसेस एंड रीडिस्काउंटिंग फैसिलिटीज टू द बैंक. Okay, so bank may employ more fund in the bill discounting and re-discounting the bill with the reserve bank, and thereby keep less cash reserve ratio. So these are the factors that will determine whether bank can liquidate its asset easily or not. Okay, next is what? Profitability. Now profitability is also very important. Okay, because bank जो है, they runs on the profit that they earn. Okay, so here whatever profit they earn, they can pay off their day to day expenditure, जैसे कि लोगों के सैलरी, ऑफिस मेंटेनेंस, एम्प्लॉयज़, रेंट, वेरियस बिल्स, टैक्सेस. Okay, so this will be met only when the banks make huge amount of profit. Okay, so profit of the bank will depend on the interest income earned on the advances and made. Okay, so here bankers should be very careful while they are providing the loans. Okay, so here बैंक को जब एडवांस देते हैं, okay, that is very important. So your commercial bank is essential profit hunting organization which main objective is to make profit. Okay, commercial bank का जो main motto क्या है? To make profit. Okay, so your banker should be in a position to earn profit through its advances. मतलब जो लोग लोन दे रहे हैं, उस on that banker should make possible ways that they can earn the profit. So profit of the bank depends upon the interest income earned on the advances made, and therefore banker should not ignore the profit motive while granting loan. Okay, and bank should ensure that the funds that they are lent bring a reasonable good returns. At the same time, they should also possess liquidity. Okay, so in other words, bank has to reconcile the objectives of liquidity, profitability and maintain them in the optimum proportion. मतलब दोनों simultaneously they have to take care. Okay, वो जो liquidity है and profitability है, they should be in a simultaneous position. Okay, only when there is liquidity and profitability, banks are in a good position. Okay, next is diversification of risks. So every bank जो है, okay, when they grant a loan, it is a risk factor for them. So it is better to give advances to the different purposes and spread the risk. अगर जैसे कि मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल बोला नीरव मोदी का, बैंक ने क्या किया? एक ही पर्सन को बहुत ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ लोन दे दिया. ओके, सो इन दैट केस इफ देर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दैट पर्सन, अभी नीरव मोदी के साथ what happened? He was not able to pay off the loan. Then what happened? Bank went into crisis. Okay, so here it should spread the risk. Okay, अगर एक जैसे कि बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स है हमारे कंट्री में, इकोनॉमी में, देर आर टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर, देर आर एग्रीकल्चरल सेक्टर, देर इज इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर, देर इज ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो दे कैन ग्रांट लोन टू डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स. अगर एक सेक्टर भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, दे कैन गेट रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम द अदर सेक्टर्स. सो diversification of the risk is very important. So it is dangerous to concentrate advances in any particular area, field or a sector. It should not concentrate only in one sector. It should diversify their risk. जैसे कि sector wise there are different sectors, जैसे कि हमारे, एज आई टोल्ड यू, देर आर टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर्स, इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर्स, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्री, ट्रेड, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड. सो इट शुड बी, द लोन शुड बी ग्रांटेड टू डिफरेंट सेक्टर वाइज. ओके, ऐसे नहीं कि एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर को ही लोन दिया. व्हाट विल हैपन इफ दे ग्रांट लोन टू एग्रीकल्चरल सेक्टर? अगर एग्रीकल्चरल सेक्टर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया, बैंक विल बी अफेक्टेड. सो इट शुड बी डाइवर्सिफाइड. नेक्स्ट इज डिफरेंट पीरियड्स ऑफ मैच्योरिटी. अगर बैंक लोन दे रही है, ओके, सो इट शुड ग्रांट लोन फॉर 5 years, इट शुड ग्रांट लोन फॉर 10 years, इट शुड ग्रांट लोन फॉर 1 year, 20 years. ऐसा नहीं कि सारे लोन 20 years तक है, देन इट विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम. इट शुड हैव अ डिफरेंट मेच्योरिटी. तो क्या होगा, बैंक विल हैव अ कंटिन्यूअस इनकम. Next is variety of securities. Bank should give loans and advances to the variety of sectors. Okay, so it will be not difficult even if the prices, suppose security कौन से है, it should have securities of stocks, it should have in mutual fund, golds. अगर gold का price में कुछ problem हुआ, then it can collect the money from the other sectors. So diversification of the risk is very important for each and every bank. Okay, other purpose, principles of lending is what purpose. Okay, किस पर्पस के लिए लोन दे रहे हैं? इट शुड बी अ प्रोडक्टिव पर्पस, मतलब इट शुड गिव गुड इनकम. ओके, ओनली देन दे कैन ग्रांट द लोन. नेक्स्ट इज सिक्योरिटी. सिक्योरिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, क्योंकि अगर वो लोग लोन्स दे रहे हैं, बैंकर्स अवॉइड्स लेंडिंग टू द बोरोवर विदाउट एनी सिक्योरिटी. व्हेन दे आर टेकिंग द लोन, व्हेन दे आर ग्रांटिंग द लोन, इट शुड मेक श्योर दैट दे आर वेल स्क्रूटिनाइज एंड द सिक्योरिटी जो भी दे रहे हैं, दे आर हैविंग अ गुड मार्केट वैल्यू. नेक्स्ट इज इनकम जनरेटिंग पोटेंशियल ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मतलब सपोज दे आर गिविंग लोन टू अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. सपोज इफ दैट प्रोजेक्ट इज व्हाट, बिल्डिंग रोड्स. ओके, रोड्स बिल्ड करने के लिए इफ दे आर गिविंग द लोन, what will happen then, that whatever loan जिस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए वो लोग दे रहे हैं, that loan should give a good amount of income to the bank. Okay, for such, मतलब बैंक को भी वो लोग good income दे रहे हैं, and that whatever loans they are giving, it should create a good economic environment and economy should develop and grow. So for such projects they should grant a loan. So whatever loan they are granting, it should be income generating. Okay, next is term loan. The banker prefer to grant short term loan as well, as it cannot lock up the funds by granting loans for a long period. मतलब short period के लिए वो लोग लोन देते हैं, so that they can get good amount of income and there is a continuous income for a bank. Next is public interest. Now when they are granting the loan, okay, जब लोन ग्रांट करते हैं, okay, so it should be in a public interest. ऐसा लोन देना चाहिए that should not affect the public. Okay, so bankers should grant advances to those industries which bring development in the country's planning प्रोग्राम. ओके, जो जो कंट्री के प्लानिंग प्रोग्राम में जो जो इंडस्ट्री है, उनको ही लोन देना चाहिए. दैट शुड नॉट बी इन इलीगल लोन ग्रांटेड. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल एग्रीकल्चरल एंड अलाइड एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्रीज, एक्सपोर्ट, माइक्रो, स्मॉल, मीडियम स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, टाइनी सेक्टर्स ऑफ द इकोनॉमी, फॉर सच दे should be loans granted. Okay, so these are the principles that are very important when the bank is granting the loan. Now there is a conflict between liquidity, profitability and safety. So ये तीन जो चीज़ें हैं, okay, that should be balanced. Okay, only when it is balanced we can say that bank is in a good position. So profitability and liquidity are the two basic concepts that attracts the attentions of all banks. Okay, bank क्या करते हैं, they should see that when they are granting the loans, okay, it should earn profit and also it should be liquid. Okay, for example मैं एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ आप लोगों को. इफ XYZ बैंक इज देयर, कीप ऑल द डिपॉजिट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कैश. ओके, उन लोगों ने कैश में ही उनका डिपॉजिट रखा. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स देर इज 100% लिक्विडिटी. जब कैश में वो लोग सब अब अपने डिपॉजिट जो भी है, लोग जो जो डिपॉजिट करते हैं उन्होंने अगर कैश में रखा तो इट इज़ 100% लिक्विडिटी फॉर देम, बट देर इज़ नो प्रॉफिट. ओके, कैसे प्रॉफिट होगा? जब वो लोग मार्केट में वो जो डिपॉजिट है, व्हेन दे सेल इन द मार्केट, only then bank will earn the profit. So liquid money kept in a safe does not yield any return. Okay, but if they want to survive for a longer period of time, then what they have to do, they have to sell it in the market, only then they will earn the profit. Now there is another bank, okay, that is ABC, okay, which is invested all its deposit mostly profitably. Okay, so here if they want to सर्वाइव फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, तो क्या होगा, उनके पास लिक्विड एसेट नहीं रहते. सो हियर द मेन रोल विच इज़ प्लेड बाय द बैंकर. ओके, बैंकर को ये ध्यान में रखना है कि उनके थोड़े असेट उनके पास रहने चाहिए. इट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू कैश इजीली एंड ऑल्सो इट विल ग्रांट प्रॉफिट फॉर देम. ओके, सो बैंक वांट टू मेक प्रॉफिट बट एट द सेम टाइम दे कैन नॉट कंसंट्रेट ऑन द लिक्विडिटी एंड सेफ्टी. अगर वो लोग बहुत पैसा चाहते हैं, इफ दे वांट टू मेक मोर प्रॉफिट, then they cannot concentrate on liquidity and safety. अगर वो लोग liquidity चाहते हैं, मतलब कैश रखना चाहते हैं, then they cannot earn profit. So it should be balanced. So if bank keeps all deposit in the form of cash, there will be 100% liquidity and 0% profitability. Okay, and what it is, what safety will be there, there won't be any return. So here there is a conflict between लिक्विडिटी, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी एंड सेफ्टी. तो बैंक में को ये ध्यान में रखना है, इफ़ दे वांट टू अर्न हाई प्रॉफिट, द बैंक हैज़ टू लैंड एंड इन्वेस्ट मनी रिसीव फ्रॉम द डिपॉजिटर. इफ़ दे डोंट वांट टू टेक द रिस्क, देन दे हैव टू कीप इट एज अ कैश. सो banker should play a very important role, okay, in the case of earning profit, keeping the assets as a liquid and safety. Okay, these three things are very important that every banker should keep it in the mind. Okay, so here हम लोगों ने कौन से principles सीखे? We have seen safety. In safety, the precautions that are taken while lending the money are scrutiny of the credit worthiness of the borrower, care in sanctioning loan, providing short-term loan, no large advances to single borrower, ascertaining the market value of pledged commodity. Second thing is liquidity. Now the factors that determine the liquidity of cash balances to be maintained are what? Reserve requirement prescribed by the law, banking habits, business and economic conditions, clearing house facilities, nature of account, practice followed by other banks, availability of liquid asset, types of advances. Then we have seen profitability. Every bank should earn profit because it will meet their day-to-day expenses, that is electricity bill, office maintenance, salary, that can be made only when bank earns profit. Next is diversification of risk. Banks should diversify their risk in the following ways, that is sector wise, different period of maturity and variety of securities. And the last one is other principles of lending, that is purpose. The purpose should be very good for whom they are giving the loan. There should be security, income generating potentials of the project should be given loan. There should be term loan, and whatever project they are giving, whatever project for whom they are granting the loan, it should be in the public interest. So these things bank has to consider while granting the loan. And the last concept that we have learned is a conflict between liquidity, profitability and safety. So banks should manage their funds within the legal and regulatory framework, okay, which is established by the RBI, that is the Supervisory Authority of India. Okay, so here both, that is liquidity and profitability, should be given equal importance. Okay, that is the main objective of every bank. So it is very difficult to maintain ratio between liquidity and profitability, because अगर वो profitability को गए तो liquidity नहीं मिलेगी, अगर liquidity को गए तो profitability में नहीं मिलेगी. So that should be maintained very properly. Okay, so here ऐसा, now the whatever example I've given, it is very that if we keep too much of cash, then we cannot earn profit. If we sell our assets in the market, we will have more profit, but there won't be any cash with us. Okay, so here bank क्या करती है, it should maintain the ratios properly, only then bank can survive for a longer period of time. So these things bank has to see and should follow whatever rules are given by the RBI. In the next class, we will learn the CBIL and other agencies of the bank.